So I made a video last week of this little Bestarc 145 multi-process machine, and I had a question, does it actually lift arc on TIG? And to be honest with you, I can't remember, so we're gonna try it and see. Here we go. All right, let's see what happens. I've got a touchdown. Yep, it is. It actually is a lift arc. So it did. I'm going to show you one more time. Touch it down, lift it up. It is lift arc. Check that out. There you have it. Turns out it is a true lift arc. You can clearly see me push the tungsten down, touch it to the metal, lift up, and it fires up. So there's your answer. I hope you liked it. If you're interested in this little machine, I'll leave a link below. Thanks for watching.